Hello and welcome back everyone. Today we have another special video. Today we have Galaxy A60, which is brand new and just arrived here on my channel. If you can see right here, the seller just put us in a box a few gifts, and I'm not sure what they are because they are all in Chinese, and we're just gonna open for you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to receive the latest news updates about the phones and to see even more interesting battles comparison between this A60 against A50. So on the following days there are coming a few more videos between these two phones, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to receive all these notifications about all my new videos. And seems that they give us a silicone case. I always say that I don't like this because it's a magnet for the fingerprints, but it's good for them. Also in the packet it's a screen protector, and seems to be a glass screen protector, which is good. I like it. Free gifts, like I said. And we got a ring. Yeah, it's a ring, so we can attach on the back of the phone. Just put a finger here, you can hold the phone better. And I'm not sure what do we have here. I didn't open it, I just took it from the box. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, it's a charger. It's an universal charger. Okay, seems to be an US and European charger. And yeah, US, European and UK charger. So it's 3-in-1. Quite nice, interesting. I don't know how much this is worth. So yeah, the main attraction, let's say, is this A60, which just been released this month in May, and I've seen on the box also is showing the month 5 2019. So this one is coming with 64 gigabytes of storage. Of course you can put a micro SD up to 1 terabyte on this phone. And we're just gonna open the box. It's all sealed, and if you can see right here, it's all in Chinese. So it's coming with an Infinity O display, which is gonna be on the left side of the screen, like if you remember on Galaxy A8s. Okay, what else we got? Is not too much to, I cannot read in Chinese. So yeah, let's open the box. I just have to say the color, it's Daybreak Black. Okay, so this is the box, and probably this is the manual. Oh no, we got the key in here, so we can open the tray for the SIM card. Oh, and also in the box we got another silicone case. It's nice. So we got 2 silicone case for the phone, and let's see what's it's on here. Okay, seems like a card. Looks like. So this is only in the box. I don't know, probably I have to scan this with my phone. It's a QR reader. Oh, interesting, very nice. Yeah, I like it. So it's another silicone case for the phone with a lot of paper in Chinese, of course. And this is the phone. You can see the color. It's an interesting color. It's a blue dark color. Okay, let's leave the phone here. And this is probably all the SIM, email, and what else we got in the box? We got, of course, the charger, which doesn't help me too much here, but they put us in the box that charger with European or UK. Oh, and we got some nice headphones for the phone. So if you can see right here, we don't have a jack audio, so we're just gonna connect the headphones straight to the bottom of the phone. And also we got the cable with the adapter so we can charge the phone. So let's take all of this away at the moment. And this is the phone. And let's see the color again. It's a black dark color. Oh, I like it, and I like this on the camera. We got the fingerprint on the back. I like it. And like I said, it's coming with this little punch hole on the left side. And I'm not sure, but the phone already is coming with the screen protector applied. So it's quite good. I like this. It's a full pack. Let's start the phone. And let's see, we got the bottom for volume on the right side, up and down. The power button on here, and we got the SIM tray over here, and one speaker which is probably mono, and we got the USB type C on the bottom. Oh, look at this, what a nice feature. And I have to say that it started quite quick for a phone. And this picture here, it's hiding the camera and the punch hole on the left side. Wow, it changed a lot. Yeah, I like the design. I quite like the design. I just have to say this is the global version. So we got the Google Play Store already installed on the phone. Let's leave it here for a moment. Okay, and let's open the SIM tray and see what the phone is hiding here. So we got two, of course. So we got a micro SD or a SIM 2 plus another SIM. So we can put two SIM cards on here, or a micro SD plus a SIM card, which is good. The SIM card, no, the micro SD, it's up to 1 terabyte on this phone, which is great. And this is the phone, and is looking great. I just have to say the color, the back of the phone, the fingerprint, it's right on the back here. And this punch hole is looking nice. And I just have to say that the phone costs just around £200, and they give us some gift with the phone, which is even better. And the phone is 6.3-inch screen display, and it's 409 ppi density. Also the phone is coming with the Android 9, and we got, because it's a global version, we got the global ROM, so you can always check for software updates for this phone. Let's go on about phone. Galaxy A60, phone number unknown, and we got dual SIM on the phone, so it's quite great again. Also the phone, it's using a Snapdragon 675 on 11 nanometers, and it's an octa-core. And like I said, the micro SD, it's up to 1 terabyte, so it's using the sharing SIM slot. And this version, it's with 6 gigabytes and 64 gigabytes of storage. And also we got on the back triple camera, which is great. The phone is coming with a 32 megapixel main camera, and also it's coming with an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera plus another 5 megapixel deep camera. So it's interesting to see a difference, a comparison between this A60 and A50, because A50 is coming with 25 megapixel main camera, which is interesting to see that. And also on the front, on the face camera, front face camera, we got just 16 megapixel camera instead of 25 like on A50. And let's try to do a quick photo. Turn on locations, and I don't want, and this is the menu of the camera. So let's go on the settings, and let's see how we can record. Seems to be the same like on, no, look at this. And this phone, which is more cheap than Galaxy A50, because I was thinking if A60 it's more cheap, it should be not the same like A50. But this one is coming with an Ultra HD camera on the back, which is quite great. So we can record full HD at 60 frames per second. And I just have to say that A50 can record only on full HD, and that's it. And let's see what else we got here. Front camera also, no, it's coming just in full HD, so we can record in full HD with the front camera. And high efficiency video, record videos in HVC player, no, HDR. Camera modes, shooting methods, quick launch, shutter sounds, watermark. See if you want on the photos to allow camera to use network connection. Not at the moment, I don't know why he's asking me that. And so we got panorama, pro mode, live focus, photo, video. Okay, you don't have too many options on video, so we don't have that ultra wide to select between them, but we'll see slow motion and super slow motion and hyperlapse. Okay, let's take a photo sample on the box. No. Okay, and let's see. Yeah, I like it. It's quite interesting. Wow, look at this zoom. We can make a zoom a lot in here. So Samsung A60, interesting phone. Yeah, at this moment I don't want this. Why he's still asking me, I don't know, but probably we're gonna go on the settings after and I will find out why. And allow camera to use network connection, and also the front facing camera. Let's switch just a bit and have a look. Is not a great one. It's quite not great. I think it's a bit better on A50. Yeah, the front facing camera is not that great, but the rear back camera, yeah, I like it. And we got the fingerprint sensor right here, so let's register the fingerprint and let's give it a try. Okay, so I just add my fingerprint and let's have a quick test to see if it's working. Yeah, seems to work. Try again. Yeah, seems to work. It's not the fastest fingerprint, but it's still faster than well, A50's got the fingerprint in display, so we're not gonna compare this. Yeah, seems to work quite okay. It's not too bad. Yeah, it's not too bad, the fingerprint. And again, I just like the design. It's full screen and it's just little punch hole in the left corner of the phone. And like I said, the phone is not coming with the jack audio, so we're gonna use this connection like the USB Type-C when we charge the phone and when we listen to music. And also the phone support fast charging up to 15 watts, and the battery it's 3500 capacity. Also the fingerprint, it's on the back like I said before. I'm trying to see how many features the phone is coming with, and let's go quick on the menu. So we got the notification menu and all the shortcuts right here, and we got the Wi-Fi, data, touch, Bluetooth, location, and like I said, always I try to disable the location on the phone. We got power mode, we got capture screen, record screen, which is nice, great. We don't have this feature on A50. Smart view, do not disturb, NFC. So the phone is coming also with NFC, and on that price, on this price, it's quite great. We're gonna deactivate this. Bixby routines also, and also night mode on the phone. Handgabao accelerator, I don't know what does it mean, probably for the games, I'm not sure about that. And we got the power key for Bixby, so I don't think we got the button for the Bixby. So we got dark mode on the phone, which is also great. And we got digital well-being, 8 minutes today, so we can check the battery status on every time. We got on biometrics, we got face recognition also, register your face, fingerprints, and Let's try the face recognition for a minute. Okay. Are you wearing glasses right now? Yes, I do. Okay, a quick check. And after I done my face recognition, this is what it's after. So stay on lock screen. When you unlock with face recognition, stay on the lock screen until you swipe. I don't want this. Face recognition, faster recognition, improves speed but reduce security, increase the possibility of a video or image being incorrectly recognized as your face. Yeah, lift to wake up your phone by picking it up. Face recognition will be ready as soon as you pick up your phone. Oh, it's a nice feature. Brighter screen, increase screen brightness temporarily so your face can be recognized in the dark. Yeah, this is quite good. And let's just give it a try and see if it's working. Oh, nice. Yeah, I like it. It's quite fast. So this phone is coming with a lot of features, and on that small price, A50 cost when I bought the phone £300, and this one just £190 plus the gifts. And I like the design. I quite like the design more than A50 with that little drop notch right here. And it would be interesting to see a small comparison between this A60 and the A50. And once again, I quite like it. It's not that heavy. It's the weight, it's around 166 grams, and it's just 7.8 on thickness, which is great. Yeah, great again. So yeah, stay tuned and give it a like and share, maybe subscribe to the channel so you can receive all the videos about the new A60 plus comparison battles against A50, S10 Plus, and maybe another video about charging test. Yeah, we'll see in the next following days what we can do with all these phones, how many comparisons, videos, battles. So keep an eye on the channel, subscribe, and I hope you like this video, and see you again soon.